What is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. For today's topic, we'll be tackling about how to fix the error this application was unable to start correctly. To start, click the search bar icon below and type Task Manager. Then select Run as Administrator. In the Task Manager, click on the file above and select Run New Task. In the pop-up, click Browse, go to this PC, then open Local Disk C. Then click Windows. Now look for System 32 folder and open it. And then click CM and click the Open below. Click on this one and type Update, then check this box and click OK. Now it will open the command prompt. Then type this command and hit Enter. Wait for it to finish, then after that, close the window. Click on the search bar again and type Virus and Threat Protection. Open this app. In here, click Scan option. Then click Quick Scan. Scroll down and click Scan Now. Wait for it to finish scanning. Then after that, close the window. Click on the search bar again below and type Run. Then open it. And here type this. Then click OK. Click on the Advanced section. Then under the Performance, click Settings. Go to Data Execution Prevention. Then select the second option. After that, add the application that is not working. Once you're done, click the Apply below and then OK. Now for the next step, click the search bar icon, then type this and open it. Now click on Next, then select Restore Point. Click Next again, then click Finish. Read this one and click Yes when you're done. Now wait for it to finish restoring, and that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.